Here we are at the start of the Atacama Extreme. This is the border of Peru and Chile. And so Peru is over there, and Chile's over here. And this is the road that takes us to Arica. And there's landmines on the other side of the road. So for the first 3 to 5K, I have to stay on a road. And then we're going to head off-road into the desert. And yeah, we're pretty pumped up to finally get going. The weather's perfect, you know? I just gotta readjust my pack. What's that?
Mosquitoes, mosquitoes here.
Oh, I'm not getting any mosquitoes because I'm moving. Well, I'm about 45K into the first day of the Atacama Extreme, and it's pretty hot already. Of course, it's gonna get a lot hotter, and so I have to adapt to it. But it's been a mix today of road from the border, very close to the border of Peru, then on to one section of the Pan American Highway, and now I'm out into the desert, and with the exception of those power lines, which I'm about to cross pretty soon, that'll be the last I'll see for a long time, except for occasional drops from my support crew of people, unless I get fortunate enough to visit a couple of small communities along the way. That would be really cool. Okay, so I'm over 50K now, and the team told me I stopped for a news interview, and they told me about this gorge that I was going to see. You can see I'm still near those power lines I talked about before. They haven't disappeared yet. But they also told me this huge gorge has a trail cut on the other side. I don't know if you can see that, but that trail is going to be my way up the other side. And it's huge. I mean, this gorge, I'll try and get a snapshot of it when I get in there, but it's crazy. I mean, it's got to be 1,000 meters, it looks like. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it just looks that big, but I'll get another photo up closer. Here's another view of that gorge. Unfortunately, my trail is incomplete, so I can't see how that's going to be a way up the other side. This was one of the impediments of crossing the Atacama, was finding our way across these gorges. So I've crossed one of them today already, but this one looks pretty insane. Long day today. Wearing this pack and everything. It's 70K now, but really probably only gained about 60 in a straight line. These gorges have been unbelievably difficult, and the bummer is that there was no way to get up the side of the gorge except to go up the Pan Pacific Highway. So, to be perfectly honest with you, I'm exhausted right now. Can't wait to get into camp and just take it easy, you know? Anyhow, that's it for now.
I doubt this will come out, but that's the mountain we just climbed. How you doing?